I'm Chrissy Alama, registered dietitian and founder of Nutrition Coach for Life. And I want to show you how to make chicken piccata with lemon butter sauce with capers. This dish really is a treat. You may have seen it on the menu at your favorite Italian restaurant, but I challenge you to recreate it at home. It's quite easy to do. Here's what you'll need. 2 boneless and skinless chicken breasts, salt-free chicken seasoning, almond flour, 2 tablespoons clarified butter, 1 tablespoon sunflower oil, the juice from 1 lemon, a half a cup of chicken stock, and a 1/4 cup of capers. First, you're going to trim your chicken of excess fat. Then you butterfly the breast. Next, add salt-free seasoning to your chicken. In a plate, add almond flour and dredge your chicken in the flour. Then shake off the excess. In a medium skillet over medium heat, melt 1 tablespoon of clarified butter and 1 tablespoon of sunflower oil. When the butter and oil start to sizzle, add the pieces of chicken and cook for 3 minutes. When your chicken is brown, flip and cook the other side for 3 additional minutes. Remove and transfer to a plate. Now add to the pan 1 tablespoon clarified butter, squeeze in your lemon, add the chicken stock and the capers. Bring this mixture to a boil, constantly scraping the bottom of your pot. Reduce your heat to medium and add the chicken back to the pan. Simmer for 5 minutes, remove the chicken. Now plate it out and pour the sauce over your chicken. You'll love the zesty flavor of the chicken piccata with lemon butter sauce and capers.